Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing devices. This saves time and avoids connection errors. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and Bluetooth is enabled. Charge the AirPods and case to a reasonable level so they won't drop during pairing. Open the AirPods case with the earbuds inside and hold it next to your iPhone. This triggers the setup animation. Once the animation appears, stay focused on the screen. Do not walk away until you accept the prompt and see the name of the AirPods. You now follow the on-screen prompts to complete pairing. Tap Connect when you see the animation and grant permissions the pairing requests. This is why you allowed Bluetooth and updates earlier. Assign a name you'll recognize in Bluetooth lists and set up Siri or Skip if you prefer. Make sure Find My is enabled for the AirPods so you can locate them later. Once the iPhone confirms connection, test audio briefly by playing a short clip to verify left and right channels work correctly. You're in the final stretch. Verify the connection and confirm functionality. Open Settings Bluetooth to see the AirPods listed as connected. Test audio, mic, and controls by placing a call or recording voice. If something's off, reset the AirPods. With the case open, press and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. Make sure AirPods are near and iPhone Bluetooth is on. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.